Hey dolls and gents, your girl is back with a new video and I wanted to just sit and chat with you guys about my favorite fall beauty products. Majority of the products are skincare and body related. I am slowly getting back into makeup, but I'm more so into self-care products, which include like skincare and body care. That has been my vibe lately. If you've been into skincare products as well, let me know in the comment section down below. If you are not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and let's go ahead and get into this so I don't talk for like hours and hours and hours. So first up, let's talk about this skincare product that I feel like literally has changed my life. My skin has been the bomb with this product, and it is the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA. It's a salicylic acid serum. So basically it's going to retexturize your skin. It's going to resurface your skin, and it also helps with any active breakouts that you may have. And for me, it's been preventing breakouts. So I really have been enjoying this. I feel like my skin hasn't looked better since I've used this product. I'm about halfway through the bottle and I had stopped using it for a week and I could tell a real difference. So I know for a fact this product is amazing. If you're looking for something to just overall clarify your skin, this serum is perfect for that. Go check it out. Next up, let's talk about another serum, and I have talked about this product before on my channel. This is the Lancome Genifique, and this is perfect for anti-aging. I'm approaching my mid-30s, so anti-aging products are super important for me, and this one I have purchased over and over again. This is probably like my 4th bottle of this product, y'all. So I love this product. It's like one of my OGs and it is perfect for the fall time. This helps with anti-aging. It helps with adding moisture to your skin. And for me, it has also helped with the hyperpigmentation on my skin. Next up, we have the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid. If you do not have a hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine, you are missing out, baby, because this just adds that hydration, that moisture to your skin. You apply this before you apply your serums, and I swear it helps them to penetrate so much better. And this is a super affordable one. So this next product, I was put onto this product by my boyfriend's niece, Shan. She was raving about the sunscreen from Nivea. This is a Japanese product, so all of the instructions are in Japanese on the back, but this is a sunscreen, and y'all, it is almost like a water gel moisturizer consistency. It doesn't cause a white cast. It just blends so flawlessly into the skin. I have no idea why I never tried this before or why I never like had heard of it before. So yeah, I'm mad at y'all. If you have tried this product and you haven't told me, I'm mad at you, okay? Because I've been needing a bomb AF sunscreen for a long time. So next up, I want to talk about a product that I have used a lot as well. And this has been in my routine on and off for like 5 years, maybe even longer. But this product is from Lush. It is their Grease Lightening. It is a tea tree and aloe gel. And y'all, when I tell you this keeps breakouts at bay, like the Glow Recipe keeps breakouts at bay, but this baby right here, I use this for preventative care only. So if I notice that my skin starts to feel a little bit more like congested and things, and I feel like I might break out if my skin has been a bit more oily, I grab this ASAP, y'all. This product is amazing. If you have not checked it out, definitely do so. Next up, I want to talk about a product that I used to use. I used to use it in a tube form, but I recently picked it up in this tub form, and this is the C.O. Bigelow Rose Salve. This is a brand new container, but it smells amazing. I love the smell of it. If you like roses, then you'll love the smell of this. If you don't like floral smelling things, then you might not like this. But when I tell you, this keeps your lips so moisturized, so soft. Like I never have any issues with dry, crusty lips when I use this product, y'all. So I'm so happy that I went back to this. And if you're looking for something, especially during the fall, winter months, then definitely check this out. I'm telling y'all, the more expensive designer lip oils and lip balms don't have anything on the C.O. Bigelow Rose Salve, y'all. So definitely check it out, and you can use it for other places of your body as well. It's recommended for more dry areas like your feet, your knees, places like that. But I use it exclusively on my lips. So the last skincare product that I want to talk about isn't an actual product. It's more of a tool, and it is an ice roller. And this one is from the brand Flawless. I actually picked mine up from TJ Maxx, and I just got it out the freezer, so it feels amazing right now. This ice roller feels amazing in the morning. It helps to just depuff the face, and I just love it. Oh, I lied. I have one more skincare product. I had it in the wrong place on my desk, so I didn't notice. But this product, I definitely did not want to forget to mention to y'all because it is amazing. It is the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Cream. If you can tell, I love hyaluronic acid in my products. I feel like it works really well on my skin. It keeps my skin nice and moisturized. And when I tell you it's called Plump for a reason, this plumps the hell out of my skin, y'all. My skin just looks so glowy, amazing. Like when I apply this, it gives me that instant like glass skin, glowy, plump look that I love. As you can tell, I have to purchase some more. I'm literally on my last like application of it. I probably can use it one more time, and I use this at night. Every night. I love this stuff. So I have two body care products that I want to talk about. First up, I want to talk about the Soap and Glory. This is their Best Washes Uplifting Body Wash, and it does have a bergamot grapefruit scent to it. It isn't the most moisturizing body wash, but I really love how it just clarifies and cleans my skin. I feel squeaky clean with this product, and I love the smell. It lingers on my skin, and the after smell is amazing because I have used some products that linger on the skin and afterwards they don't smell that great, but this one, it just smells really nice and clean, and it pairs well with the lotion that I have been loving. I have been using this lotion for years now. This is the Hemp's Sweet Pineapple and Melon. This is so lightweight but moisturizing. It almost feels like a lotion with a little bit of oil in it. Oh, that's why. It has hemp seed oil in it. But y'all, it feels amazing on the skin. It is a little pricey in my opinion for a lotion. If you buy it at like Ulta, it's gonna run you around 20 bucks for this size. But if you can find it at TJ Maxx, definitely try there because I got this bottle at TJ Maxx for $10.99. I haven't found it at TJ Maxx since. So if you are on the hunt for a new lotion that smells amazing, that's gonna moisturize your body for like the fall, winter months, definitely check this out. And it's not too heavy because I don't like really thick creams on my skin. So this one is perfect. So let's get into the makeup now. It's not too many makeup products because like I said, I've been more into like self-care and just taking care of my skin, y'all. But can we talk about this e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter? I got this in a shade 7. I'm wearing it today. I love it so much. It's not classified as a foundation, but honestly, I use this as a foundation today. I also have mixed this with foundation and it looks bomb. It just gives your skin that glow and radiance that you want when you apply a foundation or a glow type filter product. And what I love the most about this is there's no glitters in it. I hate it when there's glitters in a product that says that it's going to give glow and when it's applied all over the skin, because then it accentuates any flaws that you have on your skin. So this gives me a glow, but it doesn't accentuate any bumps or anything that I have going on. Next up, let's talk about my favorite primer. This should be no surprise. I've been loving this primer for years. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Y'all, I can't help it. If I find something that I really like, I'm gonna keep using it. I will try other products, but if it doesn't live up to like my favorite, then what's the point? I have to keep repurchasing products that I love, and this is probably like my fourth bottle of this, y'all. I love this product. I feel like it really grips your makeup. Now, e.l.f. does have one like this. If you want me to do a comparison video, let me know. I purchased it from e.l.f. recently, and I was thinking about doing a comparison video, but I don't know if y'all are interested because the e.l.f. one is a lot more affordable than the Milk one. So yeah, I love this product so much, y'all, and I have not found another primer that can replace it. So y'all know I am approaching my mid-30s, so the under eye circles and the wrinkles under there are getting real. It's dry AF under my eyes, and so when I apply concealer, if I don't use a primer or anything under my eyes or any kind of moisturizer, hydrator, eye gel under my eyes, then they will crack up when I apply my concealer and my powder. So I have been loving the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. This stuff is a savior when it comes to just giving your concealer a base to go on more smooth than if you were to just apply it straight to the skin. So when I apply my powder, it just glides on a lot more smooth, y'all, and I notice the lines under my eyes less. And speaking of under eyes, I have been loving this Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. This one is in the shade 2, so it's the darker one, and it has a like peachy finish to it. So it does do a little bit of brightening, but I have absolutely been loving this to set underneath my eyes. It is one of my faves. 3 more products, y'all. Are you still with me? For mascara, I have been loving the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. This one is in the color Cosmic Black, so it's a super dark black mascara, and what I love about this is the brush really accentuates each and every lash, and it also adds volume to my eyes and length, and that's what I want when it comes to mascara. It is perfect for my bottom lashes, and I can also use it for my top lashes. So if you are looking for a mascara that's not going to break the bank, check this baby out. I have been back into blush. I'm not even wearing a highlighter today. But honestly, I haven't been wearing highlighter a lot lately when I use this e.l.f. Halo Glow because I feel like it's unnecessary. But let's get back to this blush. I have been loving the Kokie Professional. This is one of their soft gradient blushes in the shade Tender. Y'all, do you see this color? It's like an orange papaya type shade. Oh my gosh, y'all. It is gorgeous. I'm wearing it on my cheeks right now. It is a nice matte shade. I love matte blushes, and it's giving me all the pigment that I need. I saved my favorite makeup product for last. These lashes are everything. If you can find them in your beauty supply store, definitely check them out. These are the Velux by IMV. These are in the style Champagne Pink, and when I tell you these lashes are so fluffy, they are mink lashes, so they look very fluffy, multi-dimensional. I love these lashes. I'm not wearing them today because I wanted to show y'all a fresh new box so you could see the lashes, but I've used them in my latest makeup tutorials, so you can go check those out if you want to see what they look like. I would not steer y'all wrong with these lashes. They are the bomb, and they were $8.99 at my beauty supply store. They might be less or a little more depending on where you live. Y'all know I'm in Atlanta. So these were all my fall beauty favorites. If you are interested in checking out any of the products that I mentioned in this video, I will have them all linked in the description box down below. Nothing in this video was sponsored, y'all. These are genuinely all my favorite products, and I hope that y'all will go check them out if you have not tried any of them, because I believe you would love them as well if you love the same type of products and vibes that I do. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please share it with all your friends, like it, leave me a comment down below. That really helps me out a lot. And if you have not already checked out my last video, be sure to click the box right here and it will take you straight to it. And I will be back soon with a video on this hair. So definitely stay tuned for that, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.